Hello everyone, welcome to today's skincare tips. I'm JustJennifer Beauty and I'm excited to share some tips with you on how to reduce the appearance of those pesky large pores. So this is a common concern and I'll be walking you through 6 effective techniques to achieving a smoother complexion. But first of all, what are pores? So pores are tiny openings in your skin that release oil and sweat. Sometimes they can appear larger due to factors like genetics, age, or even skin type. So step 1, gentle cleansing. Use a mild cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Over cleansing can irritate the skin and make pores look larger, but make sure you are cleansing both morning and evening. Step 2 is exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog the pores. Consider using a chemical exfoliant like salicylic or glycolic acid or a gentle physical face scrub. Step 3, sun protection. UV rays can damage collagen, making pores more noticeable. So always wear sun protection, at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. Step 4 is hydration. Keeping your skin well moisturised can help plump the skin and make pores appear smaller. Make sure you are moisturising your skin even if you're an oily skin type. Step 5, consider retinoids. So retinol can stimulate collagen production and that will reduce pore size. Use an encapsulated retinol and this will be more effective and it won't give you the harsh effects of normal retinol. Step 6, cleansing devices. If your skin is particularly congested, invest in a silicone sonic cleansing brush whilst you're cleansing your skin. They're around £50 and they're safe to use daily, but they will lift 99% of the bacteria out of the pores, helping keeping your complexion clear. But remember that reducing the appearance of pore size is an ongoing process and it takes time. Be patient and be consistent with your skincare routine. So that's it from me. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments or drop me a message and I'll do my best to answer. So until next time, take care of your skin and stay fabulous. Bye.